Hey guys, so we're at Knott's. I'm with my girl Adrianna, and she looked good, by the way. And when we got here, it was like all the good rides were closed. The Ghost Rider was closed. Accelerator was closed. Like,
New ride is closed.
yeah, we really came to go on hang time, and they're like, oh, it's gonna open Friday. So I guess we gotta come back next week. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. So yeah, we're just gonna go on a few rides, see what's going on, see what's popping, and yeah. So we finally made it inside. We're gonna go on Silver Bullet since that's one of the only rides that's open. It kind of sucks that so little rides are open today. It's kind of like why?
I should have stayed home.
Right.
Saved me $18.
Yeah, it was $18 for parking. I was just like, oh, okay, interesting. So we about to go on this. The train's about to come right now. Oh, it's full capacity. So we just got off. I can't even talk. We just got off of Silver Bullet. We sat in the back. How was it?
It was intense.
Yeah, it was real intense. Like, we sat in the back, and it was like, you know, like real, like, shoot, like, I don't know. It's hard to explain, but it was really, yeah, it got faster. I think they.
Or we just that old.
Yeah, we might be getting old, but I think it's because since it's still early, I think like the fluid of the trains or something. I don't know, something about the train. Yeah, that's Jaguar. I don't like that ride, but yeah. So we just got off with Silver Bullet. Next is Accelerator. That ride is cool. So I'll be back in a sec. So we are in line for Accelerator, and it's really cool. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
I don't know what type of I think it's B&M, but I don't know. I just know that I'm really excited, and they need a paint job because I'm tired of this pink. But yeah, catch you on the flip side. So we just got off of Accelerator. How was it?
It was intense.
I can't even talk. I lost my voice screaming. But
He almost smacked. I went unconscious. Head almost smacked the top.
her hair smacked me in my face. I was like, oh, okay. But yeah, that was cool. That was my favorite. Was that your favorite?
Yeah, so far, yeah.
Yeah, it was real cool. Where are we going now? Coast Rider?
Yeah.
All right.
That was fun.
Yeah, that one's cool. It's like a family ride. We just gonna go on that real quick. I'll be back. So we just got off of Coast Rider. How was it?
It was a good little one.
That was good?
Almost broke, but you know, we good.
That was so rough. It was
fun.
awful.
The little girls in front of you got a little taste of Floyd's moans.
Yeah, they heard me screaming the whole time.
Wow. Let's just hope you made it like that in bed.
Stop! Anyways, the new ride Hang Time is opening on Friday. They came for Employee Day. It was open, but we didn't get to go on it because we missed Employee Day. Oh well, but yeah, it's really cool. It's a Eurofighter or an Infinity, and I can't wait till it really opens Friday and we can go back on. You know, I'm real excited. So yeah. So this is my favorite ride. It's called Soul Spin, and it's really interesting. Like, it flips. And how do you like this ride?
This one's fun.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's really cool. Yeah, you do get whiplash. It depends on where you sit. I personally like the edge of seats. I don't like the middle of them. But yeah, it's really cool. So yeah. You guys ready? Oh my god, my head! Oh, look at the view! So our last ride is Sierra Sidewinder, and it's one of those spinning rides. You excited?
I'm excited.
Is this your favorite ride? One of them?
Very close.
Very close? This ride is really cool. I wish they showed like the train going, but this ride is cool. I really like it. It's like, it spins and you get close to the rocks, and yeah, it's cool. Yeah, so I'm ready. I don't know about you.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Last ride? I'm ready.
Last ride? Last ride of the day?
Yep.
You ready?
I'm ready.
So that's the end of our KNOTT trip. Did you have fun?
I did. It was a good time.
What was your favorite ride?
Pony Express.
Pony Express? Wow. I was gonna say Soul Spin. That was cool. I like that. And Accelerator too. Accelerator was real cool too.
Yeah, that one was fun.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go to Starbucks because we're thirsty. And you don't even need a whole day here if it's not crowded. Like
We
you
went
can,
on, what, like 8 rides?
in what, 3 hours? Yeah.
It's time to go.
Yeah, it's time to go.
Kids and
But yeah. But yeah, so that's the end of our vlog. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.